Welcome to a product demonstration of the NetScore Warehouse Management Mobile solution. The application augments NetSuite's inventory management capabilities using barcode scanning to perform warehouse operations. Once the bundle is installed on your NetSuite platform, you'll be able to set up users and customize the solution. Let's view the Setup function by clicking on the NetScore WMS Mobile Setup tab. Here, you can control who has access to your WMS mobile application and the warehouse functions those individuals are able to perform. If it is desired to use the bin management capabilities of NetSuite, the bins need to be added to the system. On the bin setup page, the user can specify the zone, aisle, rack number, level, and bin name. Bin setup can be controlled separately for different warehouse locations. WMS Mobile allows for single order picking or the creation of batches of orders to be picked. As orders are sent to fulfillment, they will show up in the batching tool. Orders can be filtered by date, a date range, by customer, or by shipping method. In this example, we have filtered the search to show available orders during a specific time frame that will be shipped by FedEx. We can select all orders with a Mark All button, or individual groups of orders can be chosen. When the Submit button is clicked, the sales orders will be organized into a batch. The system notifies the user that batch number 115 has been created. The NetScore WMS mobile application can run on mobile devices that support the Android or iOS operating systems. You can download the mobile application from your handheld devices from the Apple or Google App Store. To log in, you enter your email address and password issued by your system administrator, which takes you to the opening screen. The system gives the option to set up a mobile printer to be used for label printing. If mobile printers have already been set up, the system will give you the option of selecting the printer you would like to use. At the login screen, the user will select which warehouse facility they will be working in. By clicking the Receive Purchase Order tile, the user is presented with a Receive PO screen. Purchase orders to be received can be filtered by date. After choosing the purchase order to be received, the user clicks Next, and the system will present the Purchase Order Line Item Detail screen. NetScore WMS Mobile supports both one- and two-step put-away processes. With the Direct Put-Away option, items can be put away directly from the receiving screen. The two-step process allows you to receive the product to a temporary location, such as a staging area or cart. Multiple POs can be staged to allow the user to put away multiple POs in a single trip through the warehouse. In addition, the system will allow for partial receipt of purchase orders. As each line item is received, it will turn green on the screen to indicate it has been received. After all lines are received, the purchase order is submitted to NetSuite. NetScore WMS Mobile offers numerous picking strategies, including single order, batch, and zone. Single order picking allows the user to select orders from a list of open orders pending fulfillment. The picker selects an order and clicks the Pick button. The picker will be presented with the individual line items needed to fulfill the order. If the product is a serialized item, the user will scan the serial number associated with each item. When the line item is complete, it will turn green to indicate it is completed. If bin management is activated, the user will be prompted to scan the bin to validate they are in the right location and picking the correct product. After all items are picked, the user clicks the Approve button, and the shipment record is created in NetSuite. The inventory transfer applications allow inventory to be transferred from one warehouse to another. Items to be transferred are selected and added to the transfer order. When all items to be transferred are selected, a transfer order is created in NetSuite. NetScore WMS Mobile allows you to leverage the power of NetSuite's reporting system to produce dashboards, keeping you informed of activities and key performance data for your warehouse operations. NetScore's WMS Mobile provides a variety of tools to increase the efficiency and accuracy of your warehouse workers. The Item Lookup capability lets users locate items across your warehouse and identify individual bins that contain the product. The tool also allows you to photograph the product and print barcode labels. Inventory adjustment allows users with proper permission to adjust inventory counts of items that must be added or subtracted from inventory. A variety of picking methods are provided, that include pick by order, batch picking, zone picking, and pick by PO. The item count and bin count tools provide the ability to conduct cycle counts in the warehouse. The bin transfer and inventory transfer applications allow inventory to be transferred from one bin to another or one warehouse to another. Let NetScore's WMS Mobile cloud-based solution built for NetSuite bring the power of barcoding technology to your warehouse operations. For more information, please contact your NetScore account executive.